Matt, the Mortgage Guy, Mortgage Mondays, episode 117, where I'm talking about changes in how we calculate student loan debt. Matt, the Mortgage Guy, Mortgage Mondays, episode 117. I'm talking about a change recently made by Freddie Mac, and this is going to be awesome for folks who've got high student loan debt. They may have talked to somebody a year ago and couldn't qualify based on, $100,000, $200,000 in student loan debt. The way they're looking at and calculating student loan debt has changed. So quickly, if you had $150,000 on your credit report in student loan debt, let's say no payment is populating, it was deferred. They used to make you take 1% of that balance and use that as a monthly debt payment. So in that case, it would be $1,500 a month. So a lot of folks weren't able to qualify with that big payment. Sometimes there was a payment that populated on the credit report that was $275 a month because you're in income-based repayment. If that payment didn't fully amortize, you couldn't use that either. So you have to use 1%, the $1,500. In that case, a lot of folks couldn't qualify, even though they made an agreement that they were going to pay $275 per month. As their income went up, their payment would go up, and that was how they're going to pay it off. Anyway, long story short, today, in effect, with Freddie Mac, you can either use the payment that appears on your credit report, which income-based repayment, whatever repayment plan it is, if it shows up on the credit report, we can use it. Or if no payment populates, if you're in deferment or for whatever reason there's no payment that populates on the credit report, we can use 1/2 of 1%. In that same scenario with $150,000 in student loan debt, $750 a month is the number we would use for qualifying purposes. So obviously this helps out folks with student loan debt to qualify for more mortgage or qualify for any mortgage, because I know I've looked at plenty of applications over the past few years where that was something that disallowed some people from being able to qualify that will now qualify. Any questions at all, please feel free to reach out. Until next time, Matt the Mortgage Guy, Mortgage Mondays.